Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. To take a screenshot, you can use the combination of three keys, Windows, Shift and S buttons. If you press three of them simultaneously, you will see the bar at the top of your screen. Alternatively, you can press the F10 Print Screen button and you will see the very same bar at the top of your screen. Once you see it, make sure that the snip option is selected right here and then select one of the four available screenshot modes on this list. Rectangular screenshot lets you take a screenshot once you select an area of your screen that you want to capture. Once you do that, you will see the notification in the bottom right corner of your screen, and if you click on it, you will see the preview of your screenshot. You can edit this photo using quick tools at the top bar of this window, or you can edit this photo in Paint by clicking right here. To save changes, click Save As and select the folder in your File Explorer where you want to select the screenshot. If you want to find your screenshot, you have to open the File Explorer, go to Pictures folder, then open Screenshots, and here is the screenshot that was just took. Now, the second screenshot mode that you can choose is the window screenshot, and to take a window screenshot you have to click the window that you want to take a screenshot of, and the screenshot will look somewhat like this. The third option is the full screen mode. Once you select it, the screenshot of a full screen will be taken. And the last option is a freeform screenshot. To take a freeform screenshot, you have to draw a shape on your screen. And once you release the left key of your mouse or touchpad, the screenshot will be taken, and it will look somewhat like this depending on the shape that you drew on your screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.